Here we go. So now we are gonna implement K-means clustering for customer segmentation. At first, we're gonna implement the necessary packages followed by inserting the dataset to perform K-means clustering, then print the centroids and labels, at last plotting the graph and displaying the clusters. Let's get into the code. So this is the essential libraries we need to import. So import pandas as PD for data manipulation, import numpy as NP for numerical computations, sklearns, k-means for clustering, Euclidean underscore distances for calculating distances, and matplotlib for plotting the graph. Followed by, here we are going to load the dataset. The code loads a CSV file named mall customers into a pandas data frame named data. Then we are gonna select the features. Here we are gonna have two parameters. One is the annual income and the other one is the spending score for clustering purposes. Followed by, we're gonna represent this in the scatter plot. We execute these commands to perform scatter plot. For this, we need to select x-axis as well as y-axis. So it creates a scatter plot of the data points using annual income as the x-axis and spending score as the y-axis. Now we're gonna implement k-means clustering by this command. It performs k-means clustering with k equal to 5 clusters on the selected features, centroids, stores the centroids of the clusters and labels containing the cluster labels for each data point. Then by this command, we are gonna plot the clusters and centroids. This part of the code plots the clusters and centroids. It iterates through each clusters, plots the data points belonging to that cluster with a specific color, calculates the radius of each cluster, adds circles around the centroids with the calculated radius, plots the centroids with marker, adds labels, titles and shows the plot. So finally this is the output. The output is the visualization of k-means clustering with 5 clusters on annual income and spending score features, but each cluster is represented by a different color and centroids are marked with asterisk.